Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You've connected to your data, so start by locating nulls in the data pane and in a sample view. Once you see null indicators, decide whether to filter them out, replace them, or create a substitute value. Begin now. Right-click a field to inspect values or open view data for counts. Make sure to pick a consistent rule. Numbers often use 0 or ZN, strings use ifNull, and date fields may need a sentinel date. This first step sets a clear, reproducible approach. Now implement the chosen replacement. Create a calculated field using ifNull, field, unknown for text, or ZN field to convert null numbers to 0. Once created, replace the original field in your worksheets with this calculated field so all downstream charts inherit the fix. If you prefer exclusion, add a data source or extract filter to drop null rows. This reduces noise across dashboards. Make sure to validate by checking summary totals and filters. Compare before and after to confirm no. Finish by applying your replacements across all affected sheets and publishing the clean data source or workbook. Once done, refresh extracts and run through key dashboards to confirm totals, aggregations, and tooltips look right. If something still shows nulls, troubleshoot. Check for nulls introduced by left joins or blends, inspect level of detail expressions, and use the Highlight Nulls option in the view to locate remaining gaps. Make sure to document the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.